Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to keep Steam downloading games while you're sleeping. Without any further ado, let's get started. To keep Steam downloading while you're sleeping, you just need to make sure your PC doesn't go to sleep or turn off during downloads. This is actually a simple process that only requires adjusting a few Windows settings, and once you've done it, you can leave your downloads running overnight without any interruptions. First, click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up your Start menu where you can access all your system settings and applications. From here, click on Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. This will take you to the main Windows settings panel where you can configure various aspects of your computer. Once you're in the settings window, click on System. This section contains all the important settings related to your display, notifications, power options, and more. It's where you'll find the controls that determine how your computer behaves when it's idle. In the left sidebar, click on Power and Sleep. This is where you can control when your computer goes to sleep and when your screen turns off. These settings are crucial because if your PC goes to sleep, Steam will pause all active downloads, which defeats the purpose of leaving them running overnight. Now navigate to the Screen section. Below it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Never. This ensures that your screen stays on indefinitely, or at least until you manually turn it off. While this step isn't absolutely necessary for downloads to continue, it helps prevent any automatic sleep triggers. Next, navigate to the Sleep section. Below it, you'll see another drop-down menu. Click on it and select Never. This is the most important setting because it prevents your computer from entering sleep mode entirely. When sleep mode is disabled, your PC will stay active and Steam can continue downloading games without any interruptions, even if you're not actively using your computer. And that's it. You can now download games in Steam while you're sleeping. Just make sure you do not close Steam, do not sign out of your account, and most importantly, make sure your PC is plugged in. If you're on a laptop running on battery, it might still go to sleep to preserve power, so keeping it plugged in is essential for uninterrupted downloads. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.